In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Apex debug log in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for tracking and troubleshooting issues in your Salesforce environment. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce page. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. This will take you to a new setup page where you can access a variety of settings necessary for our task. Now, on this setup page, you are going to see a handy little tool called the Quick Find box. In this box, type Debug Logs. As you start typing, you'll notice a list of options appear below. Select Debug Logs from these options to proceed to the next step. This section is where you'll manage all your debug logs for different parts of your Salesforce environment. Once you are on the Debug Logs page, you might see a list of existing log configurations. To create a new one, look for that New button and give it a click. This will initiate a configuration setup for a new debug log. Next, you'll be prompted to choose what exactly you want to trace. It could be a user, an Apex class, or an Apex trigger, depending on what your focus is. If you want to trace a specific user's activity, you would select User. For this option, simply select the user you wish to trace from the list provided. On the other hand, if you're interested in tracing the execution of an Apex class, you should select Apex class. Similarly, for tracking the execution of an Apex trigger, opt for Apex trigger. Each choice directs the log to capture detailed information for that specific type of activity. Now, an important part of setting up your log is determining the duration, specifically when the log should start capturing data and when it should stop. You can specify these timeframes based on your needs, whether you're planning to monitor real-time performance or investigate specific transactions. After setting the timing, the next step involves choosing a debug level. The debug level controls the amount of information captured in your log. Salesforce provides standard debug levels, but you can also create custom ones to get precisely the data you require. Finally, once all of these configurations are set to your liking, simply click Save to save this new debug log setup. And with that, you've successfully created a new Apex debug log in Salesforce. There you have it, a straightforward process to set up an Apex debug log. This tool will undoubtedly help you troubleshoot issues by providing insight into the behind-the-scenes workings of your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and happy debugging!